Hello everyone. Want to make your Canva website more engaging? Adding music sets the perfect mood and enhances the visitor's experience. Let's get started. On the Canva dashboard, we go to our projects. We can click our projects on the left side, or we can create a new one. Since we already have a project, we will just click it to add some music. Once we are in the editor, we go to Add Elements. In Add Elements, we can see audio. Here, we click to add audio to our project. We can choose audio from the list or search for it. For this example, let's use cartoon. Once we preview it, the audio will play along with our images. To preview, we go to the lower right part of the page and click this preview button. There we go. The music plays. It's that simple. Once we're done, we just click Share and Download, and that's how you add music to your Canva website. With just a few clicks, your site will feel more lively and interactive.